I'm Nathan Ray. This is Hack Manchester Junior 2016. There's a weird smell coming from over in this corner. I wonder what the name of this team is. What's the name of your team?
Elon's Musk.
Oh, Elon's Musk. Oh, that's what I can smell. It must be Elon's Musk. Okay. Right, so guys, can you tell me who you are and where you're from?
I'm Will, and we're from Loretto College.
Akib from Loretto College as well.
Josh from Loretto College.
Jack from Loretto College.
Loretto College. Oh no, you got there just before me. Okay, so what are you working on, and what challenge are you working on, and what's your idea?
So we're doing the GTHQ challenge,
Yeah.
which is the challenge of steganography to hide data within images. Our idea is to hide a decryption key within an image, and then using several different means of moving data from one place to another, having the final destination being decrypting a file. So it's basically like a game of cat and mouse of where the data is and who can decrypt it first.
So how are you hiding the data in the image? Are you just changing?
We're going through the image and getting the RGB values of each individual pixel, and then through a bit of trickery, sort of converting that into a bit of a hex string, which will then be passed through our algorithm to generate a key. So then only by having that specific image, we then be able to get the same key.
Yeah.
And then that sort of gets combined with a few other bits, so you can actually unlock the file.
And what kind of key is it that you're going for?
We haven't fully decided that yet. That's the one we're researching at the minute.
I suppose you can use it. I suppose once you've got the system, you can have any kind of key in there. You could have public key, private key, anything you want, couldn't you? So what are you guys working on then?
At the minute, I am researching how to. Well, we're going to make a website that we're going to get to through a QR code.
Yeah, so we're sort of both doing that. I'm doing QR code, so that. We want to decide whether we're going to make our own website or just link it to the website that already exists.
Could you not get the JPEG image of a QR code and hide the data?
Well, not JPEG, because what we found at the moment is obviously when you transmit data between people, you lose value. Each time you send data, you lose a few bits, and if anything's lost in our images, we won't have the same key. So we're working on a lossless sort of way of using it, so PNG or RAW.
But if you had the PNG image of a QR code, could you not have the QR code and the image all in the same place?
Yeah, you have the QR code sending you somewhere innocent, and the data within the QR code is your key. Which is one of the ways we're thinking of going.
Oh, excellent! That's really good.
Thank you very much.
That's good. So, what's the challenges then? What do you think is going to trip you up over the next day and a half?
Memory efficiency. At the moment, we can't get it to go through an image without killing the computer because it's just so much data. Yeah, over a certain size.
And if we're like sending the image as well, like it has to retain exactly what it is, because even if one of the RGB values change, then we're screwed.
So you need to have some kind of error correction, or you may need to make sure it does it correctly.
I mean, like the chance that it will happen is pretty small, but we still need to like decide what we'll do in that circumstance.
That's good. Okay, well I hope you get that problem solved. I cannot help you solve that problem. That is way beyond my abilities. So. Okay, thank you, Elon's Musk. I will. I laugh every time I hear that name, but I will see you later. Thanks, guys.
He's been running the code for nearly a minute now.
This is the column.